Well, the district says that this was just one case, but because whooping cough spreads so easily, they say health experts are being cautious. This week, Fayetteville Public Schools sent out a letter to families at Woodland Junior High, confirming that one student was diagnosed with pertussis, also known as whooping cough.
So when that does occur, the nurses then review all the immunization records to see if there's anyone that needs an additional vaccination of pertussis. As it turns out, in this particular case, no students were excluded from school.
While nurses review vaccination records, the district is also reminding families to watch for symptoms, especially severe coughing fits.
Pertussis is highly contagious, and it's spread by you being in close contact to someone who is coughing or sneezing that is contagious with it. So, of course, we're also just about to get into flu season, so it's make sure that your vaccinations are up to date.
According to the Arkansas Department of Health, more than 440 cases of whooping cough have been reported across the state so far this year, the highest number since 2013.
I think we may surpass that number this year. It starts out seeming like just a little cold, and then suddenly people will develop terrible coughing fits to the degree that children will often throw up after these coughing fits. Adults may break a rib.
Dr. Jennifer Dillahay says the health department works closely with schools to notify families who may have been exposed and to make sure they get preventative treatment if needed.
But the good thing is that it's treatable with an antibiotic. The best part of it, though, is that we have a vaccine that prevents pertussis.
Health officials recommend that children receive a pertussis booster around age 11, and adults who haven't had one should talk to their doctor about getting the Tdap vaccine, especially grandparents who care for infants. The Arkansas Department of Health says that they are going to continue monitoring the situation, and they will let schools know if any more cases come up. We're live here in Fayetteville. I'm Abner Sosa, 4029 News.